To start your project, it is a good idea to get an understanding of what means you have at your disposal. Connecting your project to the resources you have available will give it the best possible chance for successful implementation. Ask yourself the following 3 questions. Who are you? What do you know? And who do you know? Firstly, let's consider, who are you? What attracted you to the program? What time do you have available and are willing to commit to this project? Secondly, what do you know? Think about your formal and informal education that may be relevant for your new project. What do you already know about business models? What do you already know about landscape restoration? Think more broadly about the skill sets that you might be able to bring to a project. Do you know how to organise effectively, make financial analyses, or are you perhaps a communication or time management expert? Thirdly, who do you know? Consider who you know from your personal and professional networks who may be able to help a project succeed. Perhaps you're a friend who started their own business, or are you a member of an environmental NGO? After you've considered these questions individually, it's time to share your answers to your project group. In doing so, you're completing a form of competence assessment to understand the means you have available as a group. Here, you may consider the similarities you have between group members and if you have particular strengths in certain competencies. For instance, does your group have the same understanding of landscape restoration? Do you have the same or different educational backgrounds? Has anyone started an enterprise in the past? You also may consider in what areas you are lacking competencies and may consider adding additional group members or outside support. For instance, you may consider that your team is too one-dimensional and want to improve its diversity.